Hey guys, it's Shubham here back with another video. So today we're gonna do tier list of the smartphone brand. So yeah, let's get started. Obviously S means the best brand and the F means the worst. So I have with me the logos of the top 9 brands. I'm gonna start with the Oppo. I would say the smartphone are kinda over expensive if you think about it, but also they focus more on the advertisement. This is why I'm gonna put Oppo on the app. Also the Oppo Reno 3 Pro was really disappointing. I was expecting it to be good. They literally put the MediaTek P95 processor on the 30,000 rupees smartphone. Are you fucking kidding me? So this is why Oppo is gonna be on the F. So the next one I'm gonna choose is the Realme, which is also a sub brand of the Oppo, obviously, if you haven't figured out yet. um, okay, so I'm gonna put Realme on somewhere on the C. I think Realme is doing really good. They're launching too many phones. I would say that's the problem I have with me Realme. They need to improve the features or add something new to the smartphones. So yeah, I would say Realme deserve to be on the C. Next, so yeah, let's focus on the Google. I'm gonna put Google on the B. I know people gonna hate me for this, but I think the Pixel 4 was also a big disappointment. They didn't add a wide angle lens. Are you fucking kidding me? Your phone cost around $1,000, and obviously wide angle is one of the is secondary lens, but it's more important and you have to take a group photo, I guess. So I use wide angle so much. I am really not happy that the Google didn't put wide angle on their smartphone. Overall Pixel 4 was really decent, so yeah, Google deserved to be number 4. Next I'm gonna go with Vivo. I don't know a lot about the Vivo, but they're also similar to the Oppo, so I'm gonna put on D. Their mid-range smartphones are really good. I think they're providing really good features for the price between 20 to 10,000. So yeah, D for the Vivo. So now I'm gonna go with Apple. I know this gonna make a lot of people pissed, but I'm gonna put Apple with A. I know this gonna be, yes, I'm not Apple fanboy, but I think Apple is doing really good job improving their cameras, improving overall software. I would say if you want the best smartphone that has best software optimization, I would say you should go with Apple, and Apple is doing really good job here. This is why I'm gonna go put Apple on the A list. And video recording on the Apple phone is amazing on the 4K 60 fps. I think no smartphone can beat that. So this is why Apple is going on the A. So now let's go with the OnePlus. So if you guys don't know, OnePlus recently launched OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. I had mixed feeling about it, to be honest. I wasn't really happy about what they're offering for the price. So they increased the price. Overall the smartphone looks really good. I would have really appreciated if they put new camera sensor, like they literally use Sony IMX 586 on the OnePlus 8 Pro 8 as well. That was kinda disappointed. Otherwise the OnePlus did really good job with the new OnePlus 8 Pro, which they add new IP rating and all that new stuff, I guess. So I guess OnePlus is not gonna be mid-range anymore. I think it's beyond mid-range. It was beyond mid-range already, but it's gonna be the flagship levels. They're only gonna release flagship level expensive smartphones. So this is why OnePlus is getting B here. Oh boy, let's go with the Samsung. Samsung has released a lot of phone last year, and their mid-range phone was really good. I was really happy with the M series. This for the price of 10,000. They are providing Super AMOLED display, a really decent camera, really good OS, I would say. Although I'm not a fan of the Samsung S series, I think they disappoint the fans with their new sensor was really decent. That 108 megapixel sensor, it has many problems with the photo and the video. The 8K has many issues, so I'm sure Samsung is gonna fix them, but I don't know where to put Samsung here, so I'm just gonna go with the B. Yes, I think Samsung deserve B here. So overall, let's go with the Huawei. So I'm not really big fan of the Huawei, but I feel really bad for them, for Google, for removing Play Store from their devices. So the only thing Huawei got right is the cameras. They are the one of the best brand when it comes to the cameras. Just because the Huawei doesn't have the Play Store, I'm gonna put it on the C. Don't get me wrong, Huawei is really good brand. Their smartphones are really good. So okay, we are getting close. Xiaomi. Okay, so a lot of people gonna hate me for putting Xiaomi on the A instead of putting them on the top. But the truth is Xiaomi OS sucks, MIUI sucks, and that's the truth because I'm really tired of seeing ads all over the MIUI. Like whenever you open app you see ads. Also they have really bad services in comes to the customer cares. So this is why the me gonna be on the A. Sorry Xiaomi. I would say overall Xiaomi got the one of the best budget smartphone, best mid-range smartphone, and I would say the best flagship smartphone. K30 Pro launch really was awesome, and I think K30 Pro is awesome. So the Xiaomi, I would really appreciate if they improve their MIUI. It has many bugs and ads and all that bad stuff, bloatwares and stuff. So sorry, am I okay? The only left. Obviously, Poco is gonna be on the S. You guessed it. Why? I know Poco is sub brand of the Xiaomi, but now they are independent. Now Poco is independent brand, so I really love the Poco. They make one of the best medium smartphone. Poco F1 amazed me when it was launched. Like, I mean, I just couldn't believe it for the while when I saw the official page. So yeah, I'm really excited to see the Poco F2. I don't know if it's gonna launch or not. I'm not sure. Right now I'm using Poco X2. I'm really happy with it, although it was kind of Xiaomi sub brand, so it was a kind of rip-off of the Redmi K30. I mean rebrand, that's what you can say, but I think the phone device is really fine. The Poco launcher is really good. I really love it. So yeah, Poco is gonna be on the S. You guessed it, I guess. That's it for the video. Hope you enjoy. If you have any suggestions of this list, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.